guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nisha here. So today I'm going to do for y'all this value dollar haul. More like all the snacks that I bought from Value Dollar. Okay, Value Dollar basically is a store in Singapore, not so pricey kind of items where you can get more like our Singapore style dollar store shop, but most of it is like $1.05, $1.25, you know, things like that. We bought some snacks to try out, and these are the snacks we have never tried, so I choose not to buy the things that I have tried. So yeah, together with me I have my niece here, Nisha, who's also together going to review with me. And yes, let's start to eat up. Stay tuned. That thing.
That's why we're going to try the cocoa chips with butter crunch cookies.
Yeah. This was $1.25, and it looks like a cookie. They have 2 cookies in one packet, so yes, let's try. Actually not bad.
I think I ate these cookies before.
Yeah, it tastes like, you know, the teddy bear, the blue color.
Yeah.
I don't know,
Big
but
teddy
it's my
bear.
childhood cookies.
I like that.
It tastes like that. Very nice. Okay, my rating for this 8 out of 10. Very good. You?
7 out of 10.
Okay, let's move on. Next, we're going to try this mini pocket waffle. Let's try this mini thing here. Yeah. Nah. Cheers. Wow.
Tastes good.
Cause I love it. That's why I'm eating it. I like it very much. How about you?
Okay.
Anyway, I will give this a 9 out of 10. So good. I love it.
I'm giving a 5 out of 10. So the next one we're going to try Happy Moon.
It's a butter flavor biscuit. Open up. Let's open it up. It smells so good.
Cheers.
I mean, it's not so bad to say.
Yeah.
Maybe if you eat more and more, you will love it more. Because as for now, not a very big fan. It's a little sugary and sweet. Yeah, this one.
I think I like this better than the previous one.
For this, I will give it a 7 or 6.5 out of 10.
I'm giving a 7 out of 10.
Okay, she's 7. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
The
Next
one.
is this Fox. It's a layer biscuit bar with real milk chocolate. That's what it says in the packaging. Oh, it's also individually packed. Maybe you try it first. How? It tastes like, you know, the digestive biscuit, if you have tried that before. It's that biscuit, and in the center there's the filling with the chocolate. And it's not the hard type of biscuit. It's like the soft, chewy type of biscuits. And it's so good, not bad. So, what about you?
I like it, so I'll eat again.
So for the rating, I'll say 8 out of 10. I like it, but it's just that it's very sweet. So, yeah. Maybe I can only maximum take till 2 bars and I'm done. I can't, finish up the whole pack in one go.
9 out of 10.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
You like it so much?
Yeah, I like it so much.
Oh, okay.
Because it tastes so good.
Oh.
That's why. So the next one is the hot and spicy brain.
What
Looks so
bread is
unique.
that? Hot and spicy. Oh, okay.
Smells so good and spicy.
Oh, it looks like that shortbread
Yeah.
kind of thing.
Cheers.
Actually, it smells also like the curry flavored, right?
Yeah.
It's not spicy, but
Normal.
normal. It's not as spicy as what it shows. Like, hot and spicy.
Yeah.
No, not at all.
But I like the taste of
Yeah,
it.
it tastes like curry. You know those Maggi curry noodle? Yeah, that's how
Yeah.
it smells and tastes also.
Yeah.
I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I love it so much. Yeah.
9 out of 10.
What else?
It tastes so good. But I want more spice.
Oh,
That's why.
okay. That's true. Okay, good.
Okay. Good.
Next up, I'm not too sure what chips is this, but I can see it from the shape.
Apis abon.
Yeah,
I can read
lapis abon, something like that.
Smells so good.
Yeah, it smells so good. Okay, let's give it a try.
Cheers.
Ding.
I like
so
it.
nice. Oh my god, I didn't expect for that. It's not your typical chips. It's more like the caramelized, hardened chips. Yeah, something like that. Okay, rating?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Have to give.
So the next one is the Melaka chocolate biscuit.
Okay, let's give it a try. It reminds me of Deepavali cookies. Okay, let's give it a try.
Cheers.
But actually, it tastes like when you go to your family's Deepavali open house, and there they have all those cookies to spread it out to you and give it to you. Yeah, it tastes like that handmade cookies which you will have it in everyone's house. It's so good.
Yeah. I feel like eating more and more of this cookie.
Oh, really? Nah, there you go.
Thank you. 10 out of 10. Because
Okay,
so
maybe.
delicious.
Maybe for me it will be 9 out of 10. This Danish Dreams Cool Mint Milk Chocolate. Yep.
Smells good for me.
Really?
I like
It smells like a
minty-
medicine.
It smells like a minty.
Get to eat. I expect it to be like that. Half mint and half chocolate, but
I like it.
let me try the chocolate.
part.
Okay, confirm it's not a very premium chocolate for sure. Of course, what do you expect? Not a big fan of it anyway. It's very, very sweet.
I like the mint part more than the chocolate part because I like more minty
Things
and-
is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Good.
like the flavor.
Rating?
7 out of 10.
Okay, so high. Maybe I don't want to fail it. 5.
So next up is the Wiggles.
The Wiggle. Oh, the strawberry. Give it a try.
So good.
Smell. Oh, it's so good. Okay,
You didn't try.
try. Ding. Oh, it's very nice.
I like this so
Yeah.
much.
Just that it's a little very sweet, but it's okay. Marshmallows, right?
Yeah.
Who doesn't love it? Rating?
9 out of 10.
9. 9 out of 10 also. Good thing there. Last sweet. It's a mango chewy candy.
Ding. It's chewy and there is mango flavor. I like this.
Yeah. Very nice. It's a normal candy. It's not different from any other mango candy. Chewing candy. Yeah. No. Rating?
7 out of 10.
6. It's a normal candy. Here we have. It's a coconut water, or I'm
There's
not too sure. It's coconut drink, and there are these coconut pulps in it, which is looks so good.
Yes.
Well, we will
Let's
see
try.
if it tastes nice or not. It tastes like the artificial coconut drink where you can get in Singapore everywhere. Mostly that canned one. I'm not too sure of the name. It tastes more like that, but the pulp is not the real coconut pulp.
It tastes like a plain water.
It's more like the aloe vera pulps. Your rating?
3 out of 10.
I'll give it a 7.5. Yeah. Okay, we have come to the end of the
Another
video. Say our favorites. What's your favorite?
My favorite is the Bello chocolate biscuit.
That's her favorite.
Most favorite.
Okay, my favorite will be crispy hot bread, hot and spicy bread, and then the chips. Oh, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed, please give a thumbs up for this video. Yep, that's another hand, so you all have to give a thumbs up, you know. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Cookies.
two cookies in one. The crispiness or anything like that. That's true. Yeah. Because I'm eating them. Happy birthday! So yes, that's our hair style today.
Video is going to be about this product here.